Today, after months of research and conversations with other backyard chicken keepers and homesteaders, I am finally able to announce what is commonly believed to be the absolute best chicken breed. Now, we have already discussed that what we think are the top 10 chicken breeds, and that is up for discussion. A lot of comments on this video. I will put a link to it at the end of this one. But today, we're going to crown what is the number one chicken breed. And I want to be completely upfront. The number one breed of chicken, according to my research, is not my favorite breed. But before we get into it, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It is a huge help to small-time content creators like myself. So the most popular breed of chicken for backyard keepers is the Rhode Island Red. They're a dual-purpose breed, meaning that they're good for both meat and eggs. Rhode Island Reds are known for their hardiness, adaptability, and good egg production. They're also relatively easy to care for and easy to keep around kids and other family members, making them the perfect choice for first-time chicken keepers. Now, when choosing a breed of chicken for your backyard flock, it's important to consider your needs and goals. It's also important to consider your climate and the space that you have available. Some breeds of chickens, such as the Brahma and the Jersey Giant, are quite large and require a lot of space. Other breeds, like a Bantam, they're smaller and they don't require nearly the space. And once you've considered your needs and goals, you can start researching the different breeds of chickens to find out one that is right for you. Now, there are many resources available online and libraries to help you make an informed decision. But the point of this video is to crown the fan favorite. And if you are looking for a friendly and docile flock, a good meat chicken, and or one that has high egg production, the Rhode Island Red is sure to meet your needs. And that is all I have to say today. I want to thank you for stopping by. Be sure to subscribe for other great content, and I will be back soon.